Hey guys, Restored Circuitry here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Microsoft Update v6 that is restored with Windows Update Restored. I've been working with them on that, as you can see here. I'm using the x60... Oh, that's embarrassing. I clicked the wrong link. I'm using the x64-bit version of Windows 10. I mean, no, not Windows 10, Windows XP. I wish that wasn't fixed. Ow! Okay, sometimes it doesn't want to run. Runs this time. Originally, in the beta version, it requires us. It did not know that this was XP. It thought this was Server 2003 because NT versions of Server 2003 and XP are the exact same. Let's go agree. Selecting Windows Update Restored. I don't know why this is not default. But Microsoft Update. We want to do v6. This will reboot the computer because it's patching a system file that Windows is not like us patching. John Macro was the one who patched the x64 versions, and Ward was the one who patched the 32-bit, or the x86. This is take 2 of the video. I did not have good quality audio. Let's try that again. It should not have happened. The enhanced security configuration is for the Server 2003 version. Yeah. It won't take effect because it has to replace the file after... Oh, shush. It's getting good. Would like it if it wasn't all glitchy. I don't know why it does that. Oh, it's gonna do it on boot, isn't it? I hate this. No, I haven't been able to figure out why it doesn't work on x86. I've tried and tried and tried. I feel like it might be VMware freaking out or something, or my computer's freaking out. Because it's doing it with VirtualBox as well. I don't know what's going on. I'll have to test on real hardware. Hopefully it's not my CPU that's making it freak out, because it is relaying the actual CPU. Okay. There goes my ears. This is gonna suck. Microsoft Update. I'm gonna... It stays there. The whole reason why we had to fix it is because it kept on redirecting the opt-in page about the head there. It's this one, MU opt default, and this patch makes it so that it doesn't require that. The only reason why it doesn't work without the patch is because Microsoft did not sign their auth cab, which is what it needs to verify, which is unfortunate. There is more updates on the the x64 it seems, than the x86. Which is good, because then I can show you guys it working perfectly. I just would prefer to do x86 because I don't like x64 as much, but that's all I got to work. This is the x64, right? Yeah, it is. It does take a minute to load. I'll only show you guys this once. Oh, hush. I already know. Yeah, we know. Sorry if my mic is all screwed up. I'm using my headphones, and I don't feel like recording this one more time. So, if my mic's screwed up, I'll give you guys a warning beforehand. If it's not, I will not. But I will give you guys a warning that XP is mad. If you're this far in the video, remember to like and subscribe, and put a comment down below if you want to see me fix more stuff. Okay, so this page, this is what you want to see. You want to click yes. Sometimes it requires, if it errors out, go to the Windows update and then do a patch, because sometimes there's patches that have to be done. It's not actually 13 hours that's going to take. I'll speed this up. Okay, it's done. I don't know why it hasn't installed the VS 2008 C++, no, the C++ 2008 thing. Oh no. Oh no. Ow! I never had it be able to play sound. Ow, that actually hurts. Okay, let's see if it loads up faster. Hoping so. Do dee do 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 do. We are not going to be doing the Express again, because we don't need to. We can do the custom this time. I will not be showing the normal V6 because they are the exact same thing, just with a different design. And I prefer the Microsoft update because that's the one most people will remember. Because the Windows Update V6 was not as popular. That just blares in the ears. Oh, I opened it up twice. Lol. That. Oh. Okay, let's do a custom so we can see everything. At least the news works, but the news unfortunately does not work partially because it tries to redirect to Microsoft KB stuff or whatever, and that's blocked. I'm not going to install these because I don't need to. Oh. Okay. This is what you would get back in the past on the custom. I'm not familiar with Silverlight or... Actually, I think it's just Silverlight. Or this one. The Windows Server Solutions Best Practices and Analyzer 1.0. I've never heard of that. Nor Silverlight. device help, device health. I don't know what that's for. This would probably be like Visual Studio updates. This one would be .NET updates. This one's fun. Even though there's nothing here. This is what Skype for Business. Fun fact: Link is Skype for Business. Microsoft Link was meant for the business side. Skype for Business Server is what replaced Link Server. And then there was the Skype for Business app. Those are both deprecated. The consumer version of Link would be the MSN Messenger, because right after MSN Messenger, once that thing was killed, it was Windows Live Messenger. I think that's how it went from MSN Messenger to Live Messenger. I don't remember. But after that, it became Skype. Skype died, unfortunately, this year. I actually miss it, but yeah. The only thing I'm not positive about is what Silverlight is. Somebody could tell you what Silverlight is, that would be gratefully appreciated. Because I don't know what that's for. And so it does have the Windows Media Player for that, and the 3.5 Service Pack 1, and blah blah blah. The thing is, why is... My only question is... Okay. Why is Windows Internet Explorer 7 called Windows Internet Explorer 7, but Internet Explorer 8 is called Internet Explorer 8? Also, why does Internet Explorer 8 have to be installed separately than Internet Explorer 7? I mean Internet Explorer 7... Blah, blah, blah. Damn, stumbling over my words. Now, why is Windows Internet Explorer 7 have to be installed separately, but Internet Explorer 8 doesn't? I feel like that's a little bit suspicious. Anywho, that would be the end of this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Actually, really sorry I haven't been posting. I've been quite busy. Thank you, and goodbye.